Hi everyone, I'm Luis, with 30 years of experience in the field of education. Today, we will explore a very interesting, but also very important topic: food as medicine. The question is, can our healthy diet help cure diseases without the need for herbal medicine? Let's find out right away. You may not have thought that the brain and the gut communicate with each other, but they are actually very closely related. The vagus nerve, the largest nerve in the body, is directly connected to our gut. That's right, we don't just tell our brains to function, we also talk to the bacteria in our gut, which in turn affects our overall health. A healthy gut microbiome is the foundation for maintaining a strong immune system and destroying disease. The vagus nerve is one of the most important nerves in the body. It controls our heart rate, digestion, and even our stress response. In particular, it allows the brain and gut to communicate with each other in a two-way manner. When you eat healthy and have a balanced gut microbiome, the vagus nerve sends positive signals to the brain, improving mood and reducing stress. Did you know that your gut bacteria can influence your emotions and thoughts? Good bacteria in your gut produce substances like serotonin, a happy hormone. The vagus nerve helps carry these signals to the brain, influencing our mood. So eating probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kimchi, and fermented foods can help improve both your digestion and your mood. You can activate your vagus nerve to improve your health. Some simple ways include: deep breathing helps stimulate the vagus nerve and relieves stress. Cold showers improves nerve response. Eat healthy. Add probiotic-rich foods to support the digestive system. The vagus nerve plays an important role in connecting the brain and the gut, affecting both digestion and mood. Take care of it with a healthy diet and lifestyle. Take care of your vagus nerve today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on other important health information. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Food is more than just a source of energy. It is also a powerful natural healing tool. More and more scientific research is proving that food can help our bodies repair themselves, reduce inflammation, and even prevent many chronic diseases. Let's take a look at the foods that can provide these amazing benefits. One of the most important compounds in food is polyphenols. This is a group of plant-based compounds that help the body fight oxidation, reduce inflammation, and protect cells. Foods rich in polyphenols that we can easily find include green tea, coffee, berries, grapes, nuts, and green vegetables. Did you know that drinking green tea every day can not only help you stay awake, but also support heart health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases? Or that a handful of walnuts can provide a powerful dose of antioxidants, protecting brain cells from premature aging? Small changes to your diet can have huge benefits for your health. In addition to polyphenols, foods contain many other bioactive compounds that can help our bodies repair themselves. For example, cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli and kale contain sulforaphane, a substance that can help the body eliminate toxins and protect cells from cancer. Additionally, legumes like lentils and chickpeas are also rich in fiber and plant protein, which helps maintain stable blood sugar and improve gut health. A diet rich in natural foods is not only good for our health, but also helps us feel full of energy every day. The important thing is that we don't need to look for expensive or complicated methods to achieve good health. Start with simple changes: a cup of green tea in the morning, a plate of green vegetables with your meal, or a handful of nuts in the afternoon. These small things will make a big difference to your health in the long run. Health is our most precious asset. Let food be nature's medicine, keeping your body healthy and full of vitality. Have you ever thought that food can not only fill your stomach, but also be the key to healing your body? Today, we will explore the diet that can help beat disease, not only prevent, but also treat chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer. Let's hear the story of a 65-year-old patient of mine who overcame his illness simply by changing his diet. He had type 2 diabetes and heart failure and was dependent on daily medication. But after adopting a healthy diet, in just 3 months, he was completely cured. No more medication, no more fatigue, just health and energy. This is not magic, it's science. So what diet can help you beat disease? Let's start with the most important principles. First, eat plenty of foods rich in antioxidants, the body's fighters against inflammation and aging. You can find them in green vegetables, berries, nuts, and green tea. Next, cut back on sugar and refined starches. These are major causes of inflammation and metabolic disorders, especially in people with diabetes or heart disease. Instead, choose fiber-rich foods like oats, lentils, and vegetables. Another important point is good fats. Don't be afraid of fats. Our bodies need healthy fats from olive oil, avocados, salmon, and nuts to maintain heart and brain health. These are the nutrients that keep us healthy from the inside out. The great thing is that when you change your diet, you will feel the difference right away. You will have more energy, sleep better, and even have a clearer mind. And most importantly, you can control and even reverse some chronic diseases. You don't have to wait for a miracle. You can start your health journey today, starting with your next meal. If you find this information useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future videos on how to improve your health naturally. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode. So what should you eat to keep your body healthy and help beat the disease? Some essential foods include nuts, walnuts, almonds, pistachios. Not only provide protein, but are also a great source of fiber and healthy fats. Brassica vegetables, such as kale, broccoli, cabbage, are foods extremely rich in antioxidants and help fight cancer. Fruits rich in polyphenols, such as berries, peaches, plums, help protect cells and strengthen the immune system. Just as we need to eat good food, it is extremely important to stay away from processed foods and fast foods. These foods are not only lacking in nutrients, but also contain many chemicals and preservatives that can cause inflammation and long-term damage to the body. Processed foods are the cause of chronic diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. So today we have discovered the power of food to help heal and maintain health. We may not need to rely on medicine for the rest of our lives, but can take advantage of the natural foods that Mother Nature has given us to support our bodies. Let's start with healthy, varied, and nutritious eating habits. Don't forget to listen to your body and choose the best foods for your health. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive more useful health videos. Thank you for watching, and take care of your health every day.